Okay, it is time to check in with our newest weather specialist, Noor Rafut Ibrahim. Noor, you know, it is Sunday fun day. Of course, a lot of people like to get out, but that's not really the case depending on where you live.
Yeah, that's exactly right, Brittany. We know that we are seeing a very different story across parts of the country, whether it's eastern Canada or western Canada. Now, whether it's air quality concerns, rain or dryness or wind gusts, lots of people are watching out for what the weather is going to bring, and I'll tell you that right now. When we talk about fast and furious, that's really the best way to describe the system because it will be bringing rain, risk of thunderstorm, and very strong gusting winds into the region. It will be quick, though, as I said, and we don't exactly know when it will leave the province. It might linger over the next couple of weeks, but we know it's going to bring a lot of rain. But first of all, those concerning winds gusting up to perhaps 40 kilometers per hour. I'll go back real quick here so I can show you. So 35 in Niagara Falls by overnight tonight, Kingston at 31. 27 in Toronto, but as the day moves forward, we're not out of the woods yet. So 47 kilometers an hour in Oshawa, gusts up to 47 in Toronto as well. In Kingston, as I said, not out of the woods yet. By Monday evening, up to 42 kilometers an hour southeast wind. So be mindful of that. This is concerning speed, and with the rain, it's going to be turbulent out there tomorrow. So when we take a look at rainfall totals, they are quite significant. As I said, by overnight tonight, Toronto already getting 11 millimeters of rain. But take a look at this over the span of 24 hours. Wow. Up to 40 millimeters of rain in Toronto, 41 in Peterborough. What's going on in North Bay there? 70 millimeters of rain in the span of 24 hours. It's great news for the region. There is concern for air quality and smog in that area, but it's still quite significant. For the Kawartha Lakes and Cottage Country, be mindful of flood risk. This is quite a bit of rain. Kingston at 51 millimeters as well in the span of 24 hours. You watch for that. So we take a look at our smoke forecast now, and this is what's going to really be affected by this cold front. It looks like changing wind direction is pushing that smoke out of the province and really out of the province of Quebec, I should say, and up above into Ontario. So great news for Quebec, but not the greatest of news for parts of Ontario like Thunder Bay. A change in wind direction again, though, appears to show the smoke come back down into Quebec and over even into Halifax. So we will be mindful of that over the next week. That is up until Thursday, though. So for the most part, we're expecting this cold front to at least clear up some smog in parts of Ontario. Tonight, 16 degrees for Toronto. Risk of thunderstorms still present. Cool in Peterborough at 13. Tomorrow morning, for many parts of the region, that cold front, as I said, cooling things down. 18 in Peterborough, below seasonal. Kingston at 20, also below seasonal. Usually would be seeing around 23 during this time. Now, over the next 3 days, a similar story, as I told you, of rain and cool conditions, but I did talk about how we're not exactly sure how this is going to persist in the region, and that's what we're seeing in Peterborough here. We could see the system move out of our region Tuesday and have some shower activity and thunderstorm activity lingering Wednesday. It's not quite clear yet, but Kingston, a similar story, as I said, appears to be a mix of sun and cloud for right now. Wednesday contested. I'll keep you posted.